MRecktv.
Yeah. It feels different when I hit the air.
I introduced you to the first ever car meet app. It's called Sync My Ride.
What's happening though? What y'all doing? Let me see what's going on here, man.
50 Cent response to T.I. and his sons dropping diss records and dropping merch with his dead moms on the shirt. Okay, I changed my mind. Goes to the old rappers trying to battle rap. ChatGPT told me that I don't need to rap. You need me to rap. Laughing out loud. Get the fuck off my page, okay? So that was 50 Cent response to T.I. and his sons dropping diss records and dropping merch with his dead moms on the shirt. You know, respectfully, rest in peace to his moms.
Yeah. It feels different when I hit the air.
All right, and then Rick Ross, he jumped right in it because you know Rick Ross dropped a song called Mafia Music, right? And he was the first one, at least the first rapper, to blame 50 Cent for burning down his baby mom's crib. Okay? Yeah, Rick Ross, there's a song called Mafia Music, and Rick Ross pretty much put the blame on 50. Allegedly. I gotta say allegedly because, you know, I don't want to get jammed up in that shit. But, you know, I'm saying allegedly. But Rick Ross said 50 Cent left the gas can, you stupid motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? This is his words. Look it up, you know? Anyhow, the Hip Hop Wolf, he's on IG. Go follow him. He posted T.I.'s son, Domani, diss record. Right? And Rick Ross is in the comments, right? You see the picture of the Shaniqua Tompkins crib burning down. And in the comments is Rick Ross, and he says, let it burn. See it right here, right? You see him, right? Let it burn. Crazy with the fire emojis. Crazy. He's responding to the diss record, but also he knew he was the one that lit the match. Far as like people using that narrative. You got Domani, T.I.'s son, using this picture as artwork for his diss record. It's called Miss Jackson, and Jadakiss and Styles had a freestyle called Miss Jackson, dissing 50 in the freestyle. Kind of used the same angle, like, because they were speaking to 50 Cent mother from the dead, like, you know, they was kind of like talking to her like, yo, you better warn your son, you know. But Styles and Jada, you know, that shit gonna be street, that shit gonna be aggressive, you know. The Monty joint giving me Andre 3000 vibes, you know what I'm saying? And you know, when he's in a yoga position, you know, sitting in the grass. Caller, you got the floor, keep it clean, let's get it.
Yo, this P. Hey, listen, man. I think T.I. need to go ahead and tell his sons to stand down because they in over their head, I believe. I mean, it's cool if T.I. was doing all the disrespect, but these boys not built like that. And I understand, but they acting out of emotion. And people who support it is acting out of emotion when they say they only taking up for their mom. But they don't understand what come with that. You would only understand if you ever had a real dude on your head who really put in work. And I feel like it's not that serious to them, but they could be, now they got to pay for security wherever they at. And now they got to deal with getting embarrassed and all of that kind of stuff. You know, they just putting themselves in situations that they don't need to be in. And I think as a parent, T.I. and Tiny need to tell them boys, like, you know, let Pop handle it, you know, and that's all I gotta say.
Yo, top of the noon, M.Reck, this Panther Jones, calling out of Uptown Harlem.
Panther Jones, salute. What's happening, bro?
Yeah, man, I'm just here to say, yo, I'm not here to defend 50. It's time for Queens to take these L's, man. Straight like that. Straight like that. You heard 50 been coming at Harlem about Jimmy and Dame. Now he got these young boys on his neck. Now I'm here to talk about 50 Glazers.
Okay, guys, speak your mind.
All right, man. Somebody brung up something. When 50 came at Little Meech, and he the same age as King, nobody said nothing when 50 was picking on that kid. Am I wrong?
They're around the same age. You right.
Yeah.
Not
so.
Little Meech is younger. I think he's younger than King.
Wow.
Yeah, I think he like maybe a year or two younger. Nothing crazy. All around the same age. You know. Yeah.
Oh, so 50 Glazers. So it's cool for your big homie 50 to punk on the little kid, Lil Meech, but it's not cool so it's a problem for King to punk on 50. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here.
My brother, introduce yourself to the people, good brother.
I appreciate you having me, Reck, man. No doubt. Debo Williams went to the University of South Carolina from Delaware. He's two-time captain, All-SEC player. You know, I had a little stint with the NFL, staying not for long, but we're here now making waves through the tech world.
No doubt. I want to go to the NFL world a little bit, man. What happened exactly? Because your stats look amazing, brother.
Man, I could get in that all day. But I ain't had the best 40-yard dash, and they really put a lot on that combine type stuff, So you could have the greatest film in the world, but they like, you ain't fast enough to be in these fields, boy. Why I'm fast enough to be in these fields? And I'm sitting there, I'm like, but master, like, I'm a baller. They like, what in tarnation you say to me, boy?
Damn, like that?
Like that. Hey, it's a business, man, so I skated, and you know what I mean? Instead of being up under something, I created my own.
Now you got this other app.
Yep.
Go into that.
Yep. So I grew up in the car space. I grew up going to car shows. I grew up going to car meets. Car meets got real big during COVID. So I'm figuring out, everybody got to go through Facebook, Instagram, group chats to, make it happen. I'm like, why is there not an app for it? And then also you got to go through Google Maps and stuff of that nature to get to the spot. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna put everything under one umbrella for the car meets, the car shows, and the whole car community. And so that's how I came up with Sync My Ride.
Genius.
And so this is me, right? And the only reason I'm able to come up with this is because of the heartbreak of not making it to the league.
I introduced you to the first ever car meet app. It's called Sync My Ride. You no longer have to use other apps for car meets and car shows. You now have Sync My Ride. I'm here to bridge the gap for you. This is where you come to communicate for your car meet group chats and car shows. It's self-explanatory. You can also reach the destination of the car meet app and car show and Sync My Ride. It'll take you where you need to go.
The future is here, baby.
Peace, world. If you're looking to promote and advertise your business or your brand on MRecktv, or you interested in becoming a sponsor and to be featured as a guest on a Backstories podcast, contact MRecktv at gmail.com. That's MRecktv submissions at gmail.com. Peace. MRecktv.